making sure that it's good and my connection is excellent, and we good to go. Look at what we got this morning. We got a dump this morning. We got a bar to bar this morning. Days to load, I'm gonna go 20. Let's get a bigger picture of what's happening here. So this was a nice pattern to look for a breakout, and it failed. A breakout, a pop right here, and it failed. This right here, this trend line came up, made a higher low, and then looked like this is the 200 period moving average. Well, only one bar got tight, so if it was a few other bars that got tight, then we would be targeting this R2, and then R3, but around here it dumped. And now we below this pivot. Now we down. May come back, test 16, 17. Let's see. We'll see how this plays out for the day. This is on 240. Weekly, let's see what's going on weekly. The weekly we having a pullback. It's over the 200. Try to get this data here. Last week opened up at 35.25. This closed at the low is 65. The low was 65.50 and closed at 93.50. So we could be in this weekly range right here. This this open of 01, 69.01, and the close of 67.93. The open of 67.35 and the close of 67.93, 93 to 35. So we could be in this range if we keep shaking here. And this low is 65 and the close is 93. So 65, the high is 01. 01 and 65. So I mean, there's room to make trades. I'm only looking for 10 points. And if I can get 10 points over the open, the high on here is 01. But the close, the open is 35, 67.35. The low on here is 67.65. So between 35 and 65, there's some points we made if we keep going up. If we stall around here, the close on here is 85, 67.85. So I'm watching 66.85. Apologize, 66.85. So I'm gonna write these levels down. 66.85. Open 67.35. 67.35. So we got 66.85, 67.35, which we about to, did we test it? We went 34.25. So we went right below it, and we could be bouncing off this level here. This low is 65, 35, 65. So we watch these levels. Watch those levels. That's on the weekly. So those are weekly levels we're looking at. This low is 34. So this low here, and this the close. So we could get a bounce down here. We're down how many points today? On a daily chart, we're down 31 points so far. We're down 30 points. And let's see what this market wants to do. See what this market wants to do. Looks like we getting that little bounce down here. Daily. $20. What low is this? 15. We bounced off these lows here. Made a high and low at 15.75. Still moving. The daily bar still trying to make some lows. Opens 35.25. Let's see if we got any orders down here. 35. Got orders sitting down here. So we'll see what happens. I'm not chasing it down into these support levels. The dotted S1 support level is the Fibonacci retracement pivots. The Fibonacci, not retracement, but the Fibonacci pivot points. S1, the solid is just the standard pivot points. This is brown numbers here. They're supposed to be actually 20. Supposed to represent 20. Try to get it. Let me see if that is. Let's see if I just make it correct. Let's try to get it on point. That's it. Try to get it a little on point. Okay, now we at 20. getting some consolidation down here. Let's see. It just keeps going. There was some news out. Forex factory. I'm on my laptop, so I usually have two monitors when I'm home, but I'm not at home, so I ran into a retaliate against attack on energy infrastructure. Iran will hit enemy sites previously thought to be safe 16 minutes ago. So that could definitely have moved the market and made it dump. That was 16 minutes ago. And we see a market sell off. Euro dollar sell off. Pound dollar sell off. The dollar yen is strong. The yen mostly strong in term US when the US is in some type of, I say turmoil, but you know, when we're going through some stuff, the Japanese yen to get stronger. Let's see. Okay, 830 core PPI month over month. 0.5 came in better than the forecast. 0.7 came in better than the forecast. That's the core PPI and the regular PPI. 945, that's Canadian. Canada, 10 o'clock, we got facility orders. 11:30, that's Canada. And we got some crude oil. Wednesday is always crude oil inventories if you want to trade crude oils. Now you can watch this. I'm not telling you to trade this style, but and I like to see it go a certain way. If it pop up, when it comes back down on a 2-minute bar, when it breaks, the next 2 minutes starts to move up and breaks the close, I take the direction of wherever the first move it made. So FOMC. So we got some news today. Press conference statements, economic projections at 2 o'clock and 2:30. So be careful in this market. That nice move just was made down, and now we kind of stalling down here. The low, it's 33.75, 32 actually here. I was on the wrong bar. This last bar came down and tested the low. This bar here, 32. So that's the daily. Put this back on 240 chart. And this is the 240 chart. Hanging low. Hanging low. 34.75. Next is the 20s, but we down, we hanging low right now. Okay, this is an interesting pin bar. Open 51, close 49.75. The low is 46.50. Interesting bar up here. This low is 34 also, 34.50. So right here, this low is 34.50. So right here we got some support in this 34.35 range. So buyers started buying it up. 48. So yeah, if we get a move up and then a rejection and a rollover, even if it go up to 60 and roll over and break the 60 back and roll over, broke this trend line on the 240. On the 240. So we've been making big swings, big moves. Bring that over. Just try to make things. Don't have a big screen. I'm on my laptop, so if you see, for those that don't know, this is my live account, but I'm trading on Sim. I'm using a Sim as the leader, and my Lucid firm 150K accounts. I have 5 of them. I have 5 Lucid accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 5th one right there. 5 150 flex, Lucid flex accounts that I have to pass. I have to make 9,000. You see, some of them is over 150. Some of them is not over 150, and one is under 150. But so I got my copy traded. That's why this was up here, so I can see my copy trader, so I can turn it on. So I can turn my copy trader on. Down 0.46%, 47, down 30 points in the pre-market. In the pre-market. Okay, so I like that the daily chart is red, and the 4-hour chart is red. May have to wait till 10 o'clock if we don't have an early pullback. Wait till 10 o'clock to see what the next 4-hour bar opens up and what that one is doing, where it goes. see where I want to go. My sound may be a little off. Is it? My mic right. Let me make sure. Let me get my mic right. Trying to get my mic right. I'm trying to get I'm on my laptops here. Trying to get the laptops right. Let me make sure that y'all gonna see me for a hot second. Okay. HD Pro is activated. All right. Now we're good to go. Now my mic should be better. Should be better. We might get some pullback. We just had a sell off. Let me see. 65.75. High was 66. The low was 42. Had a nice sell off. About 20, 23, 22, 23 point sell off just now. 20 point sell off. Pull back into the 40, 42s. And this range right here between, I'm gonna just say round number 30, 32 to 42. 32 to about 42, 43, the 10 point range here. See which way we want to go. It's 13, 9, 13. Aha. Gotta plug up. I don't have my laptops plugged up. Now it's plugged up. Okay. Now it's plugged up, so let there be light. And we plugged up the light. All right. Let me make sure everything is set. ES. I need to see, okay. I should have fixed this. So I'm trading two contracts. Getting out of this is for 9 ticks and 18 ticks. But with the move that we having, I want to go for the 10-point move. So I have to, not have to, I want to take 4 points and 10 points. First target 4 points, second target 10 points. So I'm going to have to move my stops before they get hit. My targets, not my stop. Move my target before it get hit. Let's see what happens. Just thinking about that weekly chart down here. See these wicks? We getting bored. We getting bored up here down here. Made a lower low, dip below here, made a higher low at 34 and a quarter. Bouncing off this trend line. Let's see. Still going sideways. Just ranging, consolidating. Just ranging, consolidating this morning after the dump. Ranging after the dump. Looks like maybe want to run back up before the market opens. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient. Open here is 51. So if we get up in these 50s, 60s and roll back over, this is the low volume up in the 50s, 60s. May come back. This high is 48. $43, sitting around 42, 43. Hey Jeff, I'm live right now, and I'm live. Yeah. Don't know if my mic was muted, but I got a call, took the call. If y'all heard my call, then It's all right. You heard? It's all right. Holla back. I kind of like this move, but it's pre-market. Had a big move. I wanted this, well, it's settling down a little bit. I wanted to want to see where it go. We got some volume in here. My thought process is that weekend 6750 psychological number. It not definitely, but I like this move to just test that back, and even to the low volume node of 56.75 or 56, 46 to 56 of this break, but we got 4 minutes till the open. This was the breakdown here. 66, we can come back to test that. We can come back to test VWAP, 75. So we got some levels up here to watch in case it rolls over. Comes up and rolls over. Back to that 70 to 60. 56, 66. 76 to 56 to 66. Oh, it's 56. If you want to get 20 points, you want to try to grab 20 out of there. Yeah, 40 to 50. But before the market open, that's the thing. But 40 to 50 is wasn't a bad trade after. Wouldn't have been a bad trade after this consolidation. Breaking the trend line. It'd have been like 43 to 53 if we can get to 53. But I said if we get to 53. All right, less than less than 30 seconds. And the market is open, there go that 50. There's the 50. Let's see. Let this settle down a little bit. Let this settle down a little bit. As soon as you think it's short, let's let this settle down a little bit. See, we get over 50. It's that 67.50. Over 50, we have all this. And come up, wanna test the this 58 area. Well, those orders didn't take place up in here. They wanna come back up in here, you know. Getting some stall at 50. Some ejection now, I think. Getting some ejection at 50. Okay, Norton. Okay, Norton. Keep testing at 50. Getting a little rejection, but keep testing at 50. And that may be it. This 3-minute bar. I said may be it. See if some bids want to come in. We'll give it a push. Right here, previous day's open, 51.75. $51.75, previous day's open. Keep bouncing. That's it, bouncing up against that at 51.75. This right here is the previous day's. Oh, which one is this? But this is the point of control right here. So we're inside this range. High volume, low volume. Okay, we got above it at 51. There we go. $60, 51. That's 55 to 51. Now this closed at 55.50. So 55 to 51, 75. Okay. Open 59.75. I mean, the close is 55.50. So this is Monday's close. Yesterday's close. Let's see where we set up for the next fall bar at 10 o'clock. And it may make the move before the next one opens up. Okay. 56, 50, 55 to 66 to the pivot. Looks like he's working our way back up. So if we want to get down to 20, we may have to be above this trend line here. So if we get there, maybe 10 o'clock bar, somewhere around 10 o'clock. If we get back down here, if we open up, then the fall bar open up. And we get back down to this S1 in the 20s, maybe. If we test 66, 67 and roll over off this pivot, which is also not far from the VWAP. Because it ran up. And then dump. I wonder if close the gap. 17 points. Well, it really didn't. Yeah. If you go from the New York Open, yes, it got. Have to come back up to 68.08 to yesterday's close. This is the 200 moving average right there. 15 minutes for the, not 15 minutes, got 17 minutes for the next wild ball. Didn't touch 60. We hit 58, but didn't touch 60. Okay, went 8 points over 50. Didn't go to 50 to 60 yet. At this point, didn't. Got rejected at 58. We back below previous days open. Of 51. $45. Are we going to get back over 50, hold over 50? Or is it going to get rejected? Here we go. There we go. Getting a run up. Where we at? 57. We back testing the 58. We got a little higher. 59.75. If you look, wicked up at the top, wicked up at the bottom. And we kinda in this, we opened in this range, came back down a little bit, made a higher low. But we in this daily range. Yesterday's the range. Open 51, close 73. Open 51, close 73. Hey, what's going on, Jeff? I had text you. You can, I mean, if you want to come by and sit in, I'm here. I'm in Irvington. I'm live, but I'm not, I'm not live on camera. I'm just talking, so they can't see my face. Can you hear me? Jeff. All right. We on the, had to make a call, still on a call, but looks like we're coming back in 10 minutes before the 4-hour bar opens up. Okay. I'm here, but I had to make a call. I had to make a call. Are they gonna let this first break dump, or they gonna pop, get some weak positions out first, or they gonna let it go? You know, they know people are looking at this 50 break, and so sometimes they'll make a quick pop up. Sometimes they'll let it go, but sometimes they'll make a quick pop up. My stops is only 2 points, so it can pop up 2 points. Let me see, the high is 54. And we've been building this area up with orders. Just gonna wait, sit around. Don't want to get on the wrong side of the squeeze. $10 o'clock, if we get a 15-minute bar that turns over and breaks, and that 42-hour bar starts to move down, I may be on the wrong side of this short, because we may start moving higher. I may be on the wrong side thinking that it's going to roll over, but it may just trap some sellers down here. Since we in the down market, I'm going short, but I may get trapped below 50.
Order filled. Order submit. Order.
I don't want to get trapped, but see, they might trap a couple of times before they let it go. If it goes, so I'm looking for 4 points and 10 points. There we go. See, that's what I don't want to keep happening.
Order filled.
That trap, that trap, that trap. What I was talking about, that trap. That trap, that one, right there. It's going to come back. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to go on this bar, even though it's the trade to take, but they just may keep setting up the trap. I'll take it again.
Order filled.
And this has to go to, where am I at? I'm in at 49. This goes to 40. 49. This goes to 39. 10 points. Look, it's the trap. It's the trap. Timing is everything. Even if you're on the right side, sometimes timing is everything. If you're not on the right side at the right time, like we're turning down. I don't like that we're not getting that move. I'm gonna see it go. All right. I moved the break even because I want to see it go. I don't want to see it come back. It should go down. It should go down. If it don't go, then I'm on the wrong side and I have to wait. Well, I'm like a tick. There we go. See?
Order filled.
I don't want to get shaken out of here. It's going to be real choppy. Went to 46. Four-hour bar opens up at 10 o'clock. So let's see. We got wicks down here. Got wicks at the top. So it's going up, coming down, going up, and just then it's closing with wicks on both sides. That is what I don't want to see. Wicks on both sides. Come down, come back up, go higher, wick up, come down. Here we got higher close. Yo, what's the deal? Nah, I'm gonna hit you in a minute though. You, all right, motherfucker. Popped up. Head of the 4-hour bar. Head of the 4-hour bar. Right here. You know what? This is what I need to do real quick. Okay, don't look like it's gonna move yet. Yes it is. It's moving. There we go. There we go. Do we stay above this 45? This 50 is just gonna be rocky. I think this is the 200 period moving average. I wanna get this on. Times 57. We're trying to get back up to VWAP. Let me try to do something real quick. I'm gonna get it. bar width. I'm gonna get 20. Not bar width. Come on. What am I doing? Not bar width. I want to get days to load 20. Okay, so I can see. There we go. I'm gonna take it again.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it again. 48. That's the first 4 points. 38. I gotta go 38 quarter. Let's see. Nope. Come on. Don't pop that back up. Break that down. Break down. Four points. The first 4. Okay.
Order filled.
Then I move my stop. My stop is break even. Second target is 10 points. Let's see if we can get past all this congestion here. And it's okay.
Order filled.
Not getting 10 points. Very choppy. Very choppy. Very choppy. Very choppy. We came down low, tested 42, 41.75, 42. So this is holding this 42 support here. 43, which is the weekly. That 43 is the weekly. Look at this. It would pop back up to 51. Went over 50, over and under 50. We over and under 50. Where's 50? Right here. So we're over and under 50. $67.50. Be over and under here. Keep dipping under, over, under, over, under. If we're going to get down to this 20, we could, but see, I don't want to take the 46 to 45 because we can just be bounced between 43 and 50. We can play in that range on the weekly chart, that 43 to 50. I don't want to get caught and chopped up in that range. So this is what we're looking like on the 3-minute chart. We got the 50 here. I'm going to change this color. Just change it to something. We got the 50 line here. That's a little bright. I don't want it that bright. Get that, get in my eyes all my way. Just maybe, you know what? Yeah. Alright, the 50 is here. I don't like that color either. I don't know why, but the colors are so bright. Kinda throwing me off a little bit. I don't want it that bright. So we know we got the 50 here. Let me open under the 50. Got 57.25 on a 4-hour chart, but we would have to get 57 to 67 with a VWAP at 60, 65. Look like we're going up. Look like we got some bias here. Four-hour bar look like it's about to turn red to green. $66. So that would be like 56 to 66. Closes 56. It did dip up a little bit. There go 50 again. Got a lot of orders around this 40, around this 50, 49, 50, all in here. Have to remember that 43 is on the weekly chart. As much as I want to take this down, to 35. Bouncing off this 40. Load is 42. It's 42.43 on the weekly chart. Is it gonna crack? Then we back down here. Back down here. Well, next 15-minute bar opens up in a minute. And the low of the day is 32 down here. That was the break of the low, the break of the trend line. Didn't take it. That was the trade. Didn't take it. 42. Didn't get 32 yet, but set 34. I may just have to take the 2 and 4, 10 points. It's not hitting me right now. At least from my entries. It's going from like 54, 52 to 42. Instead of round numbers from 40 to 50 to 40. And I've been waiting for the break of the round numbers. They've been getting them before. They've been breaking down in the middle. 52, 53, going to 42, 43. Okay, this 23 is in. This 30 is inside. Let me see if I can get a clean channel in here. See if I can get a clean channel in Yeah. See if I can get a clean channel in here. I know this line here. I'm gonna go. See if I can get a clean channel here. That was a nice break. See if I can get it down. See if we follow a channel in here. So that's what I was trying to see. We got a channel that we may be following. Not saying that's what it is following, but just see if I can get some type of gauge on how it looks. See, we got this. We got like between 30 and 28, and then 22, so 19, so might have some support down here. Under 50, under 40. Just watching those round numbers. Watching those round numbers. Got some orders trying to step in front of 40. Got some orders trying to step in front of 40. Up here, 39.50. All right, coming back to test the lows. Coming back to test the lows. Let me see the break. Don't see anything below. Okay, testing the lows. Broke the lows. Didn't have too much of a pop. Got some orders sitting here at 30. Which didn't hold. And there we go. And there we go. 08 is the next stop. 15. We got to the 20. We had to get into this, move over a little bit before we can touch this. All right, 15 is the low. Yesterday's low. 15. Another 15-minute bar about to open up in 48 seconds. 45. Okay, back up to 30. Back up to 30. $15. You know, we had the shoulders, the head, and the shoulders. See if it completed. 59.75 says 60. Break it 33, 35, 30 points. So 30 points to give us about 68.02. I mean 67.02. If we keep going down. Big pops, then a sell-off. Big pops and then a sell-off. And all the way up to 30. hanging around down here. It's hanging around down here. Is it hanging? Got these barcode here. Now in between 20 and 30. Another 15-minute bar opens up, and the move might be made before the 15-minute bar opens up. Might be made before the 15-minute bar opens up. We went from 20 to 30. Came down, tested that 19. Tested that low 19 and a quarter. This low 19 and a quarter tested to the tick. To the tick. To the tick. Tested it to the tick. It did a double bottom. Hmm? You can close. No, close.
Still going live?
Huh?
Still going live?
Yeah.
You sit here?
No, I'm sitting right here. You can... If you want a table, it's a table. But you might want to sit out here because I can't. I don't think you can see my chart from over there. Can you?
Yeah, I would have to get up.
Yeah, I don't got my camera on. I just got my what you call it on.
They can hear you?
Yep. We live. Yeah, I missed a couple of breakdowns over here. But we have to go see where this market want to go. We might consolidate in this area for a minute. Girl, you want to take it? I got on mute. I got on mute.
So, what is that right there? That's nothing to do with you?
Oh, that's the one I was telling you I'll be watching. Like he long Nvidia and he long Tesla. So that also let me know that they show the market was green. I just don't got the sound on, but he's showing you what's green for the day. So he long Nvidia, he long Tesla, and the other is long Intel. Okay, I'm taking it short here. Let's see. I'm at 20. So this got to go to 10. Okay, short here. Looking to see if we get this break. It's tight though because we down at these lows. We've been bouncing here also. We've been bouncing here also, so I'm gonna keep a tight stop on here in case we pop back on this 15-minute bar. We got some yeah, we got some wicks down. We got wicks on both sides. Yeah, that wasn't no good. We got wicks on both sides. Look at this, down here and up here.
Order filled.
Yeah. I might have to wait till 2 o'clock because this forward bar that made this move already. I try to get this break of 19 down to 08, but we're gonna get wicked. We down here at these lows, overnight lows. Actually, previous days lows. So we in this range between 20 and 30. Between 20 and 30.
When you say 20 and 30, where's the 20?
Right here.
Okay, and 30?
Right here.
Yeah, that ain't no squeeze.
No, it's consolidating right here. Yeah, it's consolidating right here. I'm gonna take it again if it break, cause we can get down to this S2, but it's not gonna be easy. They're not giving it. I missed the sell here and the sell here, trying to see if it consolidate and keep going again. A lot of times, see, this 4-hour done made this move. It done made a nice move. Down to the lows, yeah.
The displacement, the red candle.
Yeah. So we kind of down at the lows. I'm trying to see if we can get down to the next S2 support level. I'm only trying to get 10 points, but we got wicks. They buying. We got buyers in between. Just 18 and 20. Just 19 and 20. We got buyers up in here. That's holding us up. We got orders up. We got bids up in here holding us up down here. But on the way down, it'll pop. It popped up to 30, came down. So we just consolidating barcode. Green, red. Fake out. Pop. Fake out to the bottom. So you just got to see which way it's going to go. So we look at it. It's in this range. Dip out the top, dip out the bottom. Peek out the bottom, peek out the top.
Yeah, all that's Chinese to me.
Yeah, my little Chinese stools. VWAP is all the way back up here at 56.
Doing a lot of work here, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's just, no, I'm just on here, right here. I'm just showing it.
Even right there, you doing. That's a lot. You just.
You're gonna make your chart simple.
Yeah. That's what it is. Simplicity. Wait for it to hit my point. Boom. Bye. Wait for it to hit my point. Boom. So.
You ain't did it yet.
Huh?
But you ain't did it yet. Wait, you get your bag. We got what? 10, it's 11 o'clock. This is the first half. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your bag. Set up the table. Okay. Low 26. Okay.
Yeah, I want to move this up so that I can see.
Come on here.
Stay right there. I want to move this up so I can see the.
Move it up.
Yeah, move this here up. Because I see this, but I don't see the money for what you call.
I don't know how to do that.
How you do yours?
But if you would do it like this, then minimize it and then stretch it and move it up. Move the chart up.
Just grab it.
Yeah, move the chart up. Gotta do it from here. Is it here? Open it up here. Is it right here? Click that one of these over here. The icon here. Is that one of those?
The icon?
See it right here. Right here. Right here. Right there. Right, one of these. See that? One that.
This.
Is it that or that one?
Okay, hold on. Let me see something. Hold up. Let me see something. I'm gonna hit refresh. Yeah, because I wanted to see how much money to bet.
Well, that would be on your trade.
Okay, so go to trade and then paper trading.
Mm-hmm.
Right, it's on paper trading.
Okay, so then you gotta go to when you make a trade, look over here.
Okay, here it goes. Account paper trading error. Please check your internet. Okay, right, the internet connection. Okay, not connected. Okay. Let's minimize that. Jada 1083.
No. This is it. Hold on.
You don't have it posted in
Yeah,
here?
I got it here. I can send it to him in the messages.
Oh.
No, I don't. There it is right here. Right here.
Okay, XF. Right there. 846. 6. 2. 8. 2. 7. 2. 1. 7. 2. 1. still don't see it. I see paper trade. Placing order.
Like to see a pull back up into this 50. Somewhere around this 50, 54. 50, if we get a bounce off of rejection off of 50. All right, this is moved up. We get a rotation back down. If we get a rejection off of 50. You can take it if you want. I can put on mute.
No, I don't want to take it. This guy, what he's trying to do is get me to get a nap.
Oh. You got what you need over there, man?
Yeah, now I can see it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, see, and this is what I need to do, go through the motions. I went through it today. Now I need to do it like constantly, because before I didn't see it. Now I know I can see it, but I know how to get to it now.
Okay.
But see, that's what I mean. I understand it's repetition, but you know, I gotta do it. See, it's gonna be a market out there for me to help people trade. Be like, y'all go get the information, but I'm gonna teach you how to set it up. Because people don't know how to set it up. That's why they don't do it.
All that stuff.
All that they do.
All that is free on YouTube. Whatever you want to do, if you say how do, all you gotta go on YouTube. How do I see my money in trading? It's a video up there that's gonna tell you exactly what to do. Anything you need to do, want to do on any of these platforms, they got a tutorial for it.
Tutorial.
Yep, a free tutorial for it.
Okay. That's some display. It's at the low end, but I didn't do any backtracking, so therefore, I don't know what's coming here. Okay, I'm on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, it's coming back down.
So we got this channel here. You know, we all over top of this channel. See if we stay out, want to come back in, fall back in this channel.
Okay, so this is good. I'm getting to see what's happening. It's coming down. Okay. Now, if I just hit sell, I could get in right there, or I have to wait for an opening.
Nah, you hit sell wherever you want. If you want to hit sell at the market, you hit sell at the market.
I'm talking about right here. I hit sell.
Yep.
And then I'll be in it.
Right. If you want to get in, you hit sell. If you want to get out, you hit buy.
And the opposite
is if you want to buy, you hit buy. You want to get out, then you hit sell.
Because right now it's sell. because it's going down.
I mean, you got to do your analysis and figure out where you want to get in and get out.
I know, but you hit sell when it's going down? No.
You hit sell, you can hit, it all depends. You can hit sell when it's going up. You can hit sell when it's going down.
But if you hit sell, you expect it to go down.
Exactly. If you hit sell,
buy, you expect it to go up.
Exactly.
Yeah, so my thing is I expect it to keep going down, so I wanted to sell, and then I would have started losing money already because it's going back up.
So you got to find out what you learn and find those
indicators and use them.
Exactly. Those patterns, whatever you learn. And if you short, you sell it. If you long, you buy it. Pick your targets, where you want to get out. Pick your stop losses, where you want to.
It's already
your target, take profit, and
11 o'clock. It's
midday.
For me, it's too late. I would have to just start doing my stuff at 9:30. All of this here is consolidated. It didn't really do anything. If I could have got up in 25.
Order.
I'm taking a short here.
Order filled.
Maybe a little early. Looking for 4 points. And then see if we get to 10 points. Where I'm in at. Let me see. I got to see where I'm in at. I'm in at 39. Okay, I'm in at 39. So might get stopped out. It didn't stay inside yet, so 29. I'm in at 39, so 29, 2075. May not be ready yet.
Who, you?
No, the market. Yeah. I just took a short. Looked like it was gonna break back into. It didn't close. Well, it did close, but was looking to see if it was gonna break back down into this channel. So far, it hasn't broken yet. It's just hovering. It might want to go 40 to 50. It might want to test 50. Hasn't tested 50 yet. That would have been the up into this VWAP.
Ideal situation.
Yeah, the ideal situation would have been at VWAP.
For it to keep going to 24,950.
No, yeah, for it to go up.
Right.
Yeah. VWAP, selling off of VWAP. We still got a ways from VWAP. But trying to see if we get back into this this channel here. This channel. Let me see. First target is 4 points, so 39.
It's going up.
I should be at 30. I should be at 30.
Okay.
I'm at 29, so I should be at 34.
Is it gonna do the breakout?
No, I'm short. I want this to go down.
You want it to go down?
Yeah, I'm short. I'm gonna tighten up my stop in case it come back up. Yeah, I'm looking for a short. It don't look like it's really moving. Okay, I'm at 29, so my first target is 4 points.
Oh, it's like it's going up to 50.
I'm gonna go to break even because I'm not. Yeah, see, it's popping a little bit. Okay, I'm out of break even.
Order filled.
You sold?
Yeah, yep. I sold it.
Yeah, because it's gonna go up to 50.
Now there we go. Got me out. Now it's going back down.
It ain't gonna go down.
It's going down. Got me out. I could have kept my stop where it's supposed to be the first time. So it's going down.
What chart you on, the 1-5?
No, this is the 3 minute right here.
3 minute? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm on the 1 minute.
Okay, so that looked like it would have been a good. Let me see, what is it? Where we at? We still got 33. Okay. We're coming back into this. That would have been good. 33. I would have been out of my first position so far, 39. And then my second target would have been 29.
Okay.
Below 32.
You did the right thing, bro. I'm trying to tell you. I'm getting out.
What do you mean? I just hit my targets. My first target was hit. My second target is 29. That was a good trade. And it didn't hit my stop loss. So that was a good trade for my first target. My second target hasn't been hit yet. 28.75 will be my second target. That'd have been 10 points. I'm looking at ES. What you looking at?
What you talking about? ES.
ES. I'm looking at ES.
What is ES?
What chart you on? What is that?
NQ.
You looking at NQ. I'm looking at ES.
Okay.
You on NASDAQ. I'm on the SPY, SPX. All right, my second target did get hit, but I got stopped out early. Just kind of managed it a little too early. Managed that position a little too early.
It's trying to come down. It's playing with it. It's toting the line.
Just managed it a little bit too early. Managed it a little bit too early.
So it is. All right, so it came down to 24875, right?
I'm on ES. I'm not watching NASDAQ.
Okay, you're doing something different.
Yeah, you on NASDAQ, the NQ. I'm on the ES. I don't know what those numbers are. But what you gonna say? If it's just about, let me see. What you gonna say then?
No, I was saying, according to my thing here, you had already passed what? You said 29?
Yeah, you look, yeah, those not the same numbers. Yeah, I'm on ES. 29. ES is 67.32 right now.
This shit came all the way down. From right here.
That's your chart?
Yeah, that's my chart. Okay, 9:30, it started here.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving. It's just consolidating up and down.
What chart you on?
In Q1.
Oh, you on a 1 minute? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm on a 1 minute. You on a 3 minute.
I'm on a 3, 15, a 4 hour, and a daily. Well, I got the weekly here right now.
Okay, so you got 4 different
I got 4 different charts
on one computer.
Right. These are the same charts right here. These are the same charts. So that's a 3, 4 hour, daily, and 15. And same over here. Okay. A little bit. That was my move right there for the day. I'd have been done for the day. That was my move right there. That was my move right there for the day. 33 to 43 could happen also.
Okay. Now, is what you doing, is this the same?
No, that's NASDAQ. That's technology and stuff like that. That's, NASDAQ.
It's technology, but still.
They basically correlate and go in the same, go in the same direction.
But you just trade in something different.
Right. I'm saying.
Right, exactly. So this chart, you'll see the same chart.
Similar. Won't be exactly the same, but similar. Yeah, very similar.
Okay, yeah. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
But see, this is the questions I need. I'm asking. This is what I need to do. To sit down and see what's what. Then after
so that's similar.
Get all my info, then I can start doing it. I want to then, yeah. But I seen an order block. Here's an order block right here. Right there, the 2 red candles, and this goes up. Once it passed that red candle, that's the order block. But now I want to see like other stuff, like from my knowledge, other stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, okay, this is beautiful.
Yeah, once you get the screen time and you see this happens, that happens.
Yeah.
You see it, take the trade.
Yeah, so it's set. It's good.
33, huh? Yeah. 33, huh? That was it. It bounced off the 200 period moving average, and I just managed it too early. Moved my stop too early. Just moved the stop a little too early. That was my 10-point move right there. Now I gotta see what it wants to do in here. Broke out the channel, came back into the channel. Broke out this channel. Let me see. Let me pull it back here. I had it the first time. Because now you can see it's breaking back out, trying to break out back out the channel. Up to 43.
Yep. This is a start.
34. Can get back up to 43.
Yo, what up? Chillin'? What's up with you? Okay. Okay, yeah, that's cool. All right. So what? Okay.
Now the 30-minute bar about to open up.
Table. We're gonna set it up in the living room, and then I'll know what to do from there. Okay. All right. Thanks. Okay. Bye.
It's 34. Then we got some resistance at this 36. It's 34. We got some resistance at the 36. Next 30-minute bar is about to open up. Next 30-minute bar is about to open up in a couple of seconds.
Yeah, that's my man. He gonna help me set up the podcast. So tomorrow I'm gonna get all the stuff out, set it out on the table in the living room, and hopefully he could put it together. And once he put it together, then
I think I'm about to get in this trade.
okay, look at
Let me
you.
see.
Oh yeah, it went down.
Let me see. 30-minute chart opens up.
Man, we gonna get in the trade this week.
Market's open till 4.
Yeah, but when people go to lunch, don't nothing happen.
A lot of stuff happens when people go to lunch.
They go crazy.
Nah, it don't go crazy. Look at the market. Is it going crazy? You gotta watch it, man. You gotta watch it and make your, people gonna make. It all depends. If it's slow days, yeah, somebody trying to hold this 33. If it's slow days, it might not happen. Nothing might not happen.
Mm-hmm.
When it's big swing days, a lot of things happen. It just depends on the day.
Mm-hmm. Right.
It just depends on the day. But at this point, I may need to wait. This is low of what, 30?
Reps of rotation. That's going to help you build that coordination and that power, my boy. So we're going to go ahead with this kettlebell.
I'm live, Jeff.
2. This is a 3.
I'm sorry.
Live in effect, live on the air. We live on the air.
Okay, so they could hear me.
Well, it's muted now. Yeah, they can hear you. No, it wasn't muted. I unmuted it just now.
Huh?
It was on mute, then I unmuted it. It's cool. This is live. We live here. Ain't no faking here. We live in effect. That's it. We live. Time to get live. There we go. There we go. That was a pullback. 35. Not taking anything on this bar right here. Well, we bounced off of 26 and a quarter. Back up to 36. That's another 10 points there. But
okay, so
try to see if we get a channel somewhere. Yeah. Hey man, staying out of the afternoon chop is good. It's good. Definitely. Alright, so let me see matter of fact, let me see something. I can so live in effect, live on the air, live on the air. Well, look, it's muted now. Yeah, they can hear you. No, it wasn't muted. I unmuted it just now. Huh? It was on mute, then I unmuted. It's cool. This is live. We live here. Ain't no faking here. We live in effect. That's it. We live. Time to get live. There we go. Yeah, so that was a pullback. 35. Not taking anything on this one. We bounced off of 26 in the quarter. Back up to 36. That's another 10 points there. But okay, so trying to see if we get a channel somewhere. Hey man, staying out of the afternoon chop is good. It's good. Alright, so I see matter of fact, let me see something. Alright. So live in effect, live on the air, live on the air. Well, look, it's muted now. Yeah, they can hear you. No, it wasn't muted. I unmuted it just now. It was on mute.
It's cool. This is live. We live here. Ain't no faking here. We live. The fact. That's it. We live. Channel to get live. Check it out. Yes, so that was the cool fact. It's live.
All right, that's it.
You done?
Yeah, done. 11:30. Done to 11:30.